Hi everyone, I want to share a pretty neat trick that you can use a couple different ways, and this is using the inspect element option in your web browser. And you can use this a couple different ways. One way is to temporarily edit a web page. The second way is to open a particular item on a web page in a new tab, and then the third way is to actually save that item to your computer if it's not something that you can just right click and download. So I've got a web page here. This is a Flash movie that's really annoying, so I turned it off. But what I could do is right click on the page or press F12 and go to inspect. Once I select that, you'll notice there's a little icon up here with an arrow on it. If I click that, then what I can do is hover over any part of the web page, and it will show me the the code that goes into that part of the web page. So I'm going to hover over the word Creative Commons, or the words, and when I click on it, it takes me to that area of the code. With a little practice, you can find the parts of the code that you want to adjust. So if I want to change this to Beals's Commons, I can just go ahead and type that in. When I hit enter, it changes it on the web page, and if I just close the dialog box, then you'd never know that I did anything to the web page. So I don't need to have any kind of special app or plugin. I can just do that using the inspect element tool. The second thing I can do with the inspect element tool that's pretty cool is I can go ahead and open up this video in a separate website or web page. Right now it's pretty small, so if I wanted to share that with the class, it'd be pretty difficult to do. So I'm going to click on it. It takes me to the code. This underlined part of the code is the actual video file, so I can just right click on it and go to open in a new tab. That opens up the animation in a new tab. It's nice and big, and so I can share that with my students. Okay, and I'm going to stop that. All right, so if I go back to the original page, if I wanted to actually save that animation for future use, I could do the same thing. Click the arrow tool, highlight it, find it in the code, open it in a new tab, and then at that point, all I've got to do is press Control plus S, which is the shortcut. Let me highlight the URL here, Control S, and that's the shortcut for saving something. So I'll just save that on my desktop, and now I've got that Flash file, and I can keep it forever. Okay, so that's three ways that you can use the inspect element tool that's built right into your browser. You don't need to do anything special. It just takes a little practice to get used to, but it's a great way to snag things that you want to use in the classroom. All right, thanks for watching.